Before working on any appliance, always disconnect it from the outlet. Pump replacement on a Frigidaire stacked washer machine. First, remove the 2 screws that holding the front panel. Remove the front panel by pushing it down and out. First, disconnect the wires from the pump, then remove the plastic cover by pulling up and out. Use a set of pliers to release the hose clamps before removing the holding bolts. You can use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that holding the pump. Then, remove the water hoses. Be ready for some water to spill out. First, set the new pump with the holding bolts. Make sure it is sturdy, this way it will be silent. Then, reconnect the water hoses. Tighten the clamps of the set of pliers. Reconnect the wires and place back the plastic cover. Slide the front cover into its rails and pull upwards, then place the screws back. That's it. You're done. You can find all the parts you need in the description.